Cops in Pulwama have also detained the father of Dr. Umar Ghulam Nabi Bhatt, a former teacher. This is what we have learnt, and this is an important update coming in because Dr. Umar is in fact suspected to be the Fidai bomber, the suicide bomber who was inside this I-20 where the explosion took place yesterday evening in the heart of Old Delhi. Earlier, his mother was detained by the agencies there in Pulwama. Now the latest update is that cops in Pulwama have also detained his father. We have with us my colleague Ankit Bhatt joining us on the phone line. Ankit, what more details can you share with us? Earlier, his mother was detained. Now even Dr. Umar's father has been detained by police in Pulwama.
Yes, absolutely. Umar's father, Ghulam Nabi Bhatt, who is the former teacher, and he has been detained by the Jammu Kashmir police in Pulwama. And now the questioning will be going on. What we are getting to know, before his father, his mother was detained, and his two brothers were detained also. Now his father has been detained by the Jammu and Kashmir police in the Pulwama.
Right. Can you also tell us a little bit about, who all are there in his family? Are there more people in the family? What have they said about his whereabouts? Where was he, last few days, etc.?
What we have learned from our sources is that in Umar's family, he has two brothers. He has his father and mother. Earlier today, his mother was detained. Two brothers were also picked up. Now, what we are getting to know is that Umar's father has also been detained by the Jammu and Kashmir police in the Pulwama.
Right. So earlier, the mother of Dr. Umar, who is the key suspect in this particular case, suspected to be driving the I-20 in which the explosion took place yesterday in the national capital. His father has been detained by the police in Pulwama. Was detained earlier, whose DNA samples will also be taken to do for DNA matching here in the national capital. Ankit Bhatt, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs. My colleague Sahil Suhail is also live with us right now for more on this. Sahil, what is the latest that you can share with us? So in total, we can say all family members of Dr. Umar in Pulwama have been detained by the cops?
Yes, exactly. His family members were in fact detained since yesterday. His two brothers were firstly detained by police for questioning them today in the morning. His mother was basically detained, and now we are getting to know that his father was also detained by the police. Initially, his father, in fact, a former teacher with some issues with regard to his health, was not detained, but now he has been also detained for questioning as well as for DNA sampling, because there are in fact investigations at this point in time happening with regard to the Delhi, in fact, blast case. There are some unidentified dead bodies, and it's also suspected that Dr. Umar could be the person who was behind the wheels of that particular car that blasted in the Red Fort area. So Jammu and Kashmir police has in fact detained all of these family members of Dr. Umar, and apart from questioning and apart from getting the details from them, they have also seized mobile phones and other electronic devices from the house of Dr. Umar. So all of this is under investigation. We had also seen three people who had in fact links with the car were also detained for questioning. Apart from them, now police is also looking for the doctors who work outside Jammu and Kashmir or were in fact in touch with Dr. Umar.
Or who they are also really be part of this white collar terror module. Thank you very much, Sahil, for the moment for joining us with your input.